Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to get the Christmas John Doe morph in Find Forsaken Morphs. To begin your search, simply launch the game on Roblox. This experience is all about discovering unique characters scattered across the map. We'll guide you step by step to find this festive morph, ensuring you add it to your collection without much trouble. Get ready for an exciting hunt. Once you've loaded into the game, your first step is to navigate towards the central part of the map. You'll want to keep an eye out for a distinct building or a prominent structure. Many morphs are cleverly tucked away, so a keen eye is essential. This particular morph is not out in the open, requiring a bit of careful searching. To pinpoint the Christmas John Doe morph, you need to locate a particular wall. According to guides, it's often found directly behind a specific wall. Be extremely cautious, as a monster is frequently nearby and can eliminate you if you get too close. Move slowly and observe your surroundings to safely reach the morph and claim it. After successfully navigating the area and avoiding any dangers, simply walk into the Christmas John Doe morph. It will automatically be added to your collection, allowing you to transform into this special character. Congratulations on finding this unique holiday morph. Keep exploring for more hidden treasures in Find Forsaken Morphs. Happy hunting!
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.